Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric scooters on Amazon for 2026. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising around the city, or just looking for some weekend fun, I'll walk you through the features, performance, pros and cons, and who each scooter is best for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which scooter fits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. Hiboy S2/S2 Max Electric Scooter. Motor, 350 watts/500 watts. Tires, 8.5 inches/10 inches. Range, 17/40.4 miles. Top speed, 19 miles per hour. Foldable commuter design. Hiboy S2 is a versatile scooter for daily commuting. The S2 Max takes it further with a bigger battery and longer range, making it perfect for longer rides. Its foldable design makes it easy to store or carry on public transport. Riding experience is smooth, though the 8.5-inch tires can feel a bit stiff on rough pavement. For city streets and light commuting, it works really well. The S2 Max version also handles inclines better thanks to its stronger motor. Pros: excellent range with S2 Max, up to 40 miles. Foldable and portable, comfortable for daily commutes. Cons: tires aren't ideal for very rough roads. Average top speed. Number 2. Hoverfly X3/X5 Electric Scooter. Motor, 500 watts. Range, 18/25 miles. Top speed, 20 miles per hour. Tires, 10 solid. Features: double suspension, foldable, code lock, and walk assist. The Hoverfly X3 and X5 are designed for safety and stability. Double suspension makes rides smoother over bumps, and the code lock ensures your scooter stays secure when parked. Solid tires mean you won't have to worry about flats, but for city commuting it's very reliable. Riding feels secure, and the walk assist mode is helpful when moving the scooter manually. It's a bit heavier, so carrying it upstairs can be a challenge, but for city commuting it's very reliable. Pros: smooth ride with strong suspension, walk assist and security lock, foldable and practical. Cons: slightly shorter range than competitors, heavier than other models. Number 3. Electric scooter for big kids/teens. Motor, 250 watts. Top speed, 15.5 miles per hour. Max load, 220 pounds. Folding design, rear foot brake, UL 2272 certified. This scooter is perfect for teens and big kids. It's UL certified, meaning it meets safety standards, which is a big plus for parents. The rear foot brake is easy to use, and its lightweight design makes it simple to fold and carry. While it's not the fastest or longest range scooter, it's great for younger riders learning to ride safely. Pros: UL certified for safety, easy to fold and lightweight, affordable. Cons: lower speed and range, not ideal for adults. Number 4. M4 Electric Scooter for adults with seat. Motor, heavy duty. Top speed, 25 to 30 miles per hour. Range, 31 to 37 miles. Max load, 300 plus pounds. Foldable, 10-inch off-road tires, seat included. The M4 is for serious riders. Its heavy-duty motor and off-road tires let you tackle rough terrain and longer rides with ease. The included seat adds comfort for extended trips, which is rare in most scooters. It handles weight well and provides a stable, smooth ride. Downsides include its size and weight, making it less portable than lighter scooters, and it comes with a higher price tag. But if you want speed, comfort, and versatility, this one delivers. Pros: high speed and long range, comfortable seat, heavy duty and stable. Cons: large and heavy. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Pro/X300 Electric Scooter. Motor, 500 watts. Tires, 10/12 inches. Range, 25/38 miles. Top speed, 19/23 miles per hour. Foldable commuter scooter. The Hiboy S2 Pro/X300 is a premium commuter scooter. It's designed for adults who want power, long range, and a sturdy build. Riding is smooth even on slightly uneven roads, and the larger tires make a noticeable difference. It's heavier to carry than the standard S2, but for commuters who need reliability and performance, it's worth it. Pros: long range, up to 38 miles, powerful motor for hills, sturdy design with large tires. Cons: slightly heavy. Thanks for sticking around until the end. I hope this video helped you get a clear idea of the top electric scooters on Amazon for 2026. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our reviews. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below which scooter you'd choose and why. Your feedback might help someone else pick the perfect ride. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.